Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Save a web gallery as a web collection in Lightroom Classic CC. After you do this, you can add photos to the saved web collection to automatically apply the saved web gallery settings to the photos. To save a web gallery as a web collection, create a web photo gallery as usual. Select the photos to include in the gallery, apply a template, and modify it by using the panels at the right side of the web module. When finished, use the film strip to select the photos to include within the web collection. Then click the plus-shaped New Collection button at the right side of the collection's panel header and select the Create Web Gallery command from the menu that appears to open the Create Web Gallery dialog box. Type a name for the web gallery into the name text field. To save it within an existing collection set, check the Inside checkbox and then select the name of the existing collection set from the adjacent drop-down menu. You can also check or uncheck the checkbox options in the Options section to enable or disable the following features. Make new virtual copies, which makes virtual copies of the photos in the web gallery. Set as Target Collection, which sets the web gallery as the target collection, and or Sync with Lightroom CC, which syncs the web gallery with Lightroom CC. When finished setting your options and naming the web gallery, click the Create button to close the dialog box and save it into the Collections panel, where it appears with a grid button icon next to its name.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.